Isang crucial na laban ang naganap sa pagitan ng undefeated prospect na si Charlie Edwards at ng veteranong si Jose Aguilar noong July 16, 2016. Ang nakataya sa laban na ito ay ang tsansa na maging mandatory challenger para sa IBF World Flyweight title. Ang naghaharing kampyon na naghihintay sa mananalo ay ang angas ng Pinas na si Cuadro Alas Janriel Casimero. Bago ang labang ito, matagumpay na nabawi ni Casimero ang kanyang world title belt matapos niyang inknockout si Amnat Roong sa kanilang rematch sa Beijing, China. Nang magharap sina Edwards at Aguilar sa ibabaw ng ring, hindi lang suntukan ang nangyari kundi may matinding mind games. Sa gitna ng bakbakan, nagpakita pa si Edwards ng pamosong Ali Shuffle para asarin at lituhin ang kalaban. Hindi naman umatras sa mind games si Aguilar at agad ding gumanti ng parehong galaw sa harap ng Briton. Habang tumatagal ang laban, lalong umiinit ang tensyon sa pagitan ng dalawa. Lantaran ang ginagawang pambubuyo at trash talk ni Edwards habang pilit namang iniilagan ni Aguilar ang mga patama nito. Dahil ayaw magpatalo sa yabangan, gumawa pa si Aguilar ng kakaibang forma kung saan pinagdikit niya ang kanyang mga kamay na tila nakaposas sabay hamon sa Briton na patamaan siya sa mukha. Pero sa huli mukhang napikon din si Aguilar kaya nawalan siya ng kontrol at basta na lamang itinulak si Edwards sa corner. Matapos ang 6 na round, pabor sa Briton ang naging desisyon ng mga hurado. Nanalo si Edwards via unanimous decision kaya nagkaroon ito ng pagkakataon para umakyat sa world title stage at hamunin ang angos ng Pinas na si Janriel Casimero. September 10, 2016, opisyal nang naikasa ang kanilang laban bilang co-main event sa tapatan ni Gennady Golovkin at Kell Brook na ginanap sa Greenwich, United Kingdom. Ito ang unang pagkakataon na didepensahan ni Janriel Casimero ang kanyang IBF Flyweight title laban sa tinaguriang agila ng Britanya na si Charlie Edwards. May malinis na kartadang 8 wins at 0 losses. Kung titingnan, tila masyado pang maaga para sa isang bagitong boksingero na sumabak agad sa isang World Championship fight at tila iniisip niya na advanced boxer na siya na parang isang elementary student na gustong lumaktaw sa kolehiyo para kumuha ng diploma. Ang hindi niya alam, isang veteranong boksidor na ang kanyang makakaharap na may malawak na karanasan sa pagkikipagsagupaan sa mga elite fighters sa ibabaw ng ring. Sa kanilang official weigh-in, maririnig mo ang hiyawan ng mga supporters ng Briton na talagang nangingibabaw sa venue habang isinisigaw ang pangalan ni Charlie. Samantalang sumisenyas din ito na siyang mag-uwi ng panalo at aagawin ng world title ni Cuadro Alas. Sa pagkakataong iyon, tila mas maangas pa siya kaysa sa mismong angas ng Pinas. Umiti lang si Casimero habang umiiling na tila sinasabi sa sarili na sisiw lang sa kanyang kalaban. Napailing na lang din ang mga kasama ni Cuadro Alas na tila pinagtatawanan lang ang bagitong boksingero. Sa round 1, maingat ang naging simula ng laban. In and out movement at puro jab ang pinakakawalan ng bagitong Briton para mapanatilang distansya. Samantala, gumagamit naman si Janriel Casimero ng mabilis na footwork para makalapit sa mas matangkad at mas mahabang kalaban.
Been in with the quality as a professional at this level.
Right hand already.
The views are high, the reach, everything he needs to do in this. But one game plan, and we're seeing here, Casimiro's actually getting up to him closer a little bit earlier than what I expected. I thought he'd take it low, another right hand. I was expecting it to be a little bit more comfortable early doors for Charlie.
And Casimiro throwing some big shots. He looks like he's looking to make an explosive statement right off the jump.
We're going to see a lot about Charlie Edwards tonight.
Where Edwards has honed himself.
Maybe touch with it sometimes. Don't always throw it so hard. And then see if you get a reaction at Casimiro. Maybe you can counter his counter off with that.
Toe-to-toe there. Casimiro trying to drag him in, Dave.
He's got to be careful in here. You can counter off his shot.
Sitting on the right hand again, Casimiro. Just trying to get his combinations flowing, Edwards.
Yeah.
Pagsapit ng round 3, nagsimula nang mabasa ni Casimero ang galaw ni Edwards. Hindi siya nagmamadali at naghihintay lang ng tamang pagkakataon para makapag-counter.
Before that, he held the light flyweight ground. So he's been operating on.
It's refreshing to see kids that are coming out of Team GB wanting to take the punches behind that jab, either more jabs or a right hand and a
Habang nagpapatuloy ang round, nagsimula na ring sumabay si Casimero sa palitan ng suntok. Ilang malalakas na suntok ang kanyang naipasok, kabilang ang isang solidong uppercut na tumama ng malinis sa mukha ng Briton.
Oh, it was hard on the streets of Akebu City. And just started to dig in some body shots and really winging them.
You see it?
Oh, big uppercut, and Edwards felt that. And that's a breakthrough there for Casemiro. Just staggered Edwards. Now he knows he's in deep.
This is what I mean by Charlie Etchen. He set him up for other offense.
This is what I like about Casemiro. He's not rushed. He seems to react up.
You know, Charlie's only showing the legs. He's not, and he's gonna have to settle down and start to catch.
He is cut though. Casemiro, left eye. Well, there's something that's gone wrong.
Yeah, that's a fantastic uppercut he catches him with.
Yeah. And he set him up. He noticed as Charlie kicks backing away, he dips down. And right there, he got him to back away the same way and then rip that uppercut.
I'll tell you what, Charlie Edwards showed a good chin to say that. That's one box that will take him, because that could have put him to sleep.
Because he dipped right into it.
Yeah.
He's dipping right into the
Clean.
uppercut.
He recovered really well.
Yeah, Casemiro knew that dip was coming.
But the worrying thing for me, other than the uppercut, Edwards against
Incidental head clash caused that. Now we're into the fifth round. Charlie Edwards dumping up the jab, but still he's dangerous, Casemiro.
And that's the thing. If he can get away from not getting.
Pagdating ng round 6, naging mas mahirap ang tamaan si Edwards. Naging epektibo ang game plan ng kanyang kampo, lalo na sa pag-iwas sa right hook counter ni Casemiro sa tuwing magpapakulay ito ng jab. Naging bentahe rin sa round na ito ang bilis ng Briton, kaya kinailangan ni Casemiro na mag-adjust agad bago pa ito makalabang sa scorecards.
To bury you with the jab, you lose, you win the fight.
See, you look at Casemiro, how he's loaded up in every single shot. Surely has the
Just try and keep his composure, stick to the tack.
He may look like a young baby, but you look at him.
Round 7, naging mas agresibo na si Casemiro. Alam niyang hindi sapat ang puro counter kung gusto niyang mabawi ang momentum ng laban.
Casemiro, dare I say, for the first time looked a little befuddled that round.
Good right hand to the head though. So watch the leaky defense. Edwards, is he going to take risks? Is he going to get back behind that jab?
He's getting it now. Why? He went both times he got hit with right hands this round. He was going to his left. He's got to make an adjustment to go to his right. Last round he did a great job of that.
See, the last 2 rounds I've actually given Charlie the last 2 rounds because he's implemented what Danny's been wanting him to do. He has kept away from that right hand, and he has stuck to his boxing and picked his spots. This round he started off.
Casemiro did lose to Amnet Ruaron in June last year. But apart from that, recent form has been knockout form. A win in 11, a win in 1, in 2, in 4. That's the power that he has. And he hasn't taken Edwards out early, but he might feel that down the stretch, he'll still have enough shots like that.
Something that might come into play later on, Adam. Casemiro's got a history of struggling to make this weight.
Yeah.
Now, you don't know how he's made the weight. Obviously he's made the weight, but you don't know how he's made the weight. If a guy normally struggles to make the weight, then odds are he could have struggled on this one, and the amount
Sa huling minuto ng round, sunod-sunod na kombinasyon ang pinakawalan ng angas ng Pinas. Dahil sa tindi ng pressure, napilitan si Edwards na yumakap para mapigilan ang opensa ni Cuadro Alas.
Felt that. Oh, big shots here from Casemiro, and Charlie Edwards has to hold on and cling. And has he got the experience and knowledge and know how to do it?
He keeps ducking the same way. Casemiro knows he keeps throwing the uppercut. Charlie has to make an adjustment in the way he's slipping that shot.
Inside the last third, Edwards.
Or at least if he's going to duck that way, put his hand in front of his face, palm down, so you catch the uppercut.
Was that inexperience, Dave?
A5, you don't learn these sort of things until it comes by.
Hand in front of your face, palm facing the floor, open glove, and what happens, you'll catch the uppercut at least.
Big hooks going in from Casemiro, who feels he's more powerful, stronger, and in charge. And look at that. I told you it would happen.
Danny knows his boxing. He's worked with a lot of high-class fighters, you know, including people like Derry Matthews, who's been in so many big fights. So he's got the experience. He's got the experience. Some good uppercuts there. That's the shot. Again, Edwards is showing his toughness.
Yeah.
Pagsapit ng round 8, dito ay mas lalo pang hinigpitan ni Casimero ang pressure. Agad niyang kinorner ang Briton at tuloy-tuloy na pinaulanan ng mga mabibigat na suntok.
Ferocious attack from
All of this round.
as the body shot again. Shown a decent chin hit.
Casimero. Casimero was actually doing it to him there. Big right hand.
Another one. Oh, and he's just gripping down on that gum shield, Charlie Edwards. And all the hours of training, and in the amateur ring and in the young pros. But this is real, and this is world championship level. And it is tough, Paulie. You've been there so many times.
Yeah, and Charlie now is using his legs, just trying to escape. Casimero is going to beat the willingness to win out of Charlie. Or it's easy. Once again, I like the instructions in the corner from Danny Vaughn, though. Keep
Trying to rat-a-tat, get the punches home. Now he's crafted since an 11-year-old. Really good member of Team GB. Showing some skills here, Edwards. Will it be enough though? At the moment, on your cards, no way.
No, at the moment, no. And the worrying thing is he's not got the experience of just looking at his body shots. He's
Breathing every moment of it. Bellowing instructions to Charlie Edwards, applauding when he does land. There's real camaraderie in that blue corner.
notice Casimero.
Sa pagpasok ng round 10, dito na tuluyang tinuldukan ni Janrel Casimero ang malinis na record ng bagitong Briton, kasabay ng matagumpay na pagdepensa sa kanyang korona bilang world champion.
A year or two.
Adam, he's not disgraced himself. He was about 26 miles. I think. Now,
Oh, beautiful shot.
walk into it.
Straight into it. And he's hurt badly. The opportunity. Every opportunity. Casemiro wants to get on with it. There's over a minute left.
He's got to hold.
Does he have the experience to hold? Can he recover from that? I don't think so. Steve Gray holds it. It is over. John Real Casemiro successfully defends. And it was a brave effort from Charlie Edwards.
Pagkalipas ng ilang taon, sa isang interview nagpahayag si Charlie Edwards ng kanyang respeto kay Cuadro Alas. Ayon sa kanya, naging magkaibigan sila pagkatapos ng laban at inamin niyang matindi talaga ang lakas ng Pinoy champion at marami siyang natutuhan sa kanilang naging bakbakan.
Casemiro is no joke. He's a real killer, and he can punch, and he's a ruthless, spiteful fighter, and he's a very talented, good fighter who makes people miss, makes people fall short. My heart, I'd like to see Casemiro do. Obviously, I've been beat by him, so me and Casemiro are actually still friends. Like after the fight, I owe him a lot because he taught me a lot of things, and I probably wouldn't have got to become a world champion without him in the kind of my journey. So we speak still on Facebook and that, and we stay in contact. So Casemiro can punch. He's still to this day the hardest puncher I've ever been hit by.